Mastering the present perfect tense with irregular verbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to tackle an exciting grammar topic: the present perfect tense with irregular verbs. By the end of this video, you'll understand what irregular verbs are, how they work in the present perfect tense, and you'll have some examples to guide you along. Irregular verbs, as the name suggests, are verbs that do not follow the regular conjugation rules. Unlike regular verbs, where you simply add ed to the base form to create the past tense and past participle, irregular verbs change in unique ways. For instance, the verb go becomes went in the past tense and gone in the past participle. Before we can use irregular verbs in the present perfect tense, we need to understand what the present perfect tense is. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action that started in the past and continues to the present, or an action that happened at an unspecified time in the past. It's formed with the present tense of have, has for he, she, it, and the past participle of the main verb. Now that we understand both irregular verbs and the present perfect tense, let's combine them. With irregular verbs, remember that the past participle form is used. Some examples: I have eaten breakfast. Eat, ate, eaten. She has gone to the store. Go, went, gone. They have seen the movie. See, saw, seen. Let's try some more examples together. Remember, we use has for singular subjects and have for plural or first-person subjects. We have drunk all the water. Drink, drank, drunk. He has written a letter. Write, wrote, written. You have taken the test. Take, took, taken. And there you have it, folks. With some practice, using the present perfect tense with irregular verbs becomes second nature. It's all about remembering the past participle forms and when to use has or have. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro. See you in our next video.